मैं आप सबको कहता हूँ गलतियाँ करने से अच्छी चीज़ कुछ नहीं है, लेकिन गलतियाँ करने से नहीं सीखने जैसी से ज़्यादा बुरी चीज़ भी कुछ नहीं है।
There's been many challenges, but इतनी अच्छी टीम है, पता ही नहीं चलता, सब निकल जाता है।
Out of the boundaries, or we have this boundary we'd like to see Mosaic out of that, those boundaries beyond the country, having presence. We have presence pan India. Maybe in some 5-10 years we have presence worldwide.
Saurabh, so welcome to Lassi with Justy Season 3.
Thank you.
So Saurabh, my first question to you really is कि अगर आज आपके सामने अभी 14 साल का सौरभ आ जाए, the young Saurabh, the young adolescent, you know, who's 14, 15, just about maybe studying, figuring out his life, वो आज ये सब देख के क्या कहता आपसे?
I've had a fortunate life. I have a very loving and a very fulfilling family. And as growing up, you know, everybody has regrets. I think the only regret that I have is not making enough mistakes. I think मैं आप सबको कहता हूँ गलतियाँ करने से अच्छी चीज़ कुछ नहीं है, लेकिन गलतियाँ करने से नहीं सीखने जैसी से ज़्यादा बुरी चीज़ भी कुछ नहीं। मैं 14 साल का आज वापस होता तो मैं खुद को कहता कि you know, जाओ, try yourself, dirty your hands, don't worry about, you can take a bath later, but things will become better.
What's your favorite holiday destination?
My favorite holiday is to not do anything, just go to some place and do nothing.
I'm now going to take the liberty to call Shikha on stage. I know she's never been a part of this. Season 3, it's Spark 2025. Everyone give it up for Shikha. So I'd like to now call on two of our amazing team members with a huge round of applause. Please have on stage, invite Kritika and Tarun. Thank you so much for coming to Lassi with Justy.
Thank you for having us.
Are you both Lassi fans?
Of course.
All right, great. I'm so happy that you know the tribe keeps increasing and we just keep having more and more people here. So I'd like to start with Kritika. I have in fact again seen your journey so closely, and I've been fortunate to have worked with you also in the past very closely. Kritika, how do you feel today?
I don't know how to express it, but you know, I wouldn't say I feel proud, but you know, there's a sense of achievement that, you know, after giving so many years, you've achieved something, and you know, I feel so good because I've literally seen the journey, you know, from starting to, you know, and I'm sure I'm going to see much more. So it's really great. I'm very excited to, you know, be a part of this journey. That's it.
So what has been your biggest challenge so far in building a team like this?
There have been many challenges, but इतनी अच्छी टीम है, पता ही नहीं चलता, सब निकल जाता है.
That's really the Mosaic way of doing things.
100%.
Yeah, that you collaborate, you talk about it, like you said, you seek help, and then it gets done.
Everybody is really helping, and हर जना एक दूसरे को support करने के लिए they're always there. So I think that's the very good thing about our company.
Right. So Tarun, once again, welcome. Thank you for being a part of this.
Thank you.
So Tarun, what are your top of mind feelings just now?
Well, we have you know, spoken a lot about vision. My vision would be, you know, see Mosaic out of the boundaries, or we have this boundary we'd like to see Mosaic out of that, those boundaries beyond the country, having presence. We have presence pan India. Maybe in some 5-10 years we have presence worldwide.
Worldwide. That calls for a round of applause. So I'd like to call on stage our two very esteemed, one from Kashmir and the other from Karnataka. Mr. Saeed from Kashmir and Mr. Fayaz from Karnataka. Please join us on stage. Again, it's very hard, I know, to answer this, but सबसे बड़ा challenge क्या रहा है खासकर आपके लिए? बिकॉज मैं तो प्रीएम्प्ट कर सकती हूँ कि वहाँ पे इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर से लेके बेसिक इंटरनेट के भी चैलेंजेस हैं, तो ये बताएं कि सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज क्या रहा है, और उससे भी ज़्यादा इस पे एलैबोरेट करें कि हाउ डू यू गेट दिस लाइक दिस जज्बा कि इस चैलेंज को हम ओवरकम करेंगे और फिर भी जो हमारे नंबर्स हैं वो तो होते रहने चाहिए.
Over the years, we have faced different challenges in Kashmir every year. So every year there is a new challenge. We don't have any past experiences regarding those challenges. In COVID, in 2019 there was no internet after that article. So we had that attendance problems were there. We had to monitor everything physically. There was no virtual contact with anything, with institutes or with the staff or with the students. And the implementation of our skill development programs that we have implemented throughout the Kashmir is basically in very remote areas, like Sir was saying, and they also displayed it there, that Gurez Valley, which is cut off from rest of the Kashmir Valley for 6 months. We have implemented programs there. We have implemented programs in Ladakh, like where you have like -20, -25 degrees day temperature. So counseling the students and making them able to come to attend the classes in those harsh conditions is a challenge that we face every year, and we overcome it with many things. Yeah.
What?
Like
The secret sauce.
there is no secret sauce. Like when you face the challenge, you have to come up with some ideas, and it's based on the situation also. In Ladakh, we did this, insulation of our entire center, and then we put those heating arrangements we put in the place. Tarun sir also visited. It was actually one who suggested that we should do like this, and then the students will be able to stay in the center, and we can go on with our trainings.
So आप कहना चाह रहे हैं कि जो भी दिक्कत आती है हम उसे ओवरकम करते हैं.
Exactly, there is no other option.
There is, oh amazing, I think that's the line of the evening. There is no other option. I think like you said, right, plan A, plan B, but what if you said yourself that there is no other option? So that's a great learning. What about you? In terms of challenges that you've overcome over the years?
Over the years, जो challenge हम लोगों को जो है being स्किल वोकेशनल ट्रेनिंग सेंटर्स होता है, ये जो है इंटरेस्ट ऑफ द कैंडिडेट्स, जिसको हम लोग जो वैल्यू देना चाहते हैं, जो सीख देना चाहते हैं, उनको उसका एहसास नहीं है. इट इज़ मेजर द चैलेंज एज वी एजुकेटर फेस एट अ ग्राउंड लेवल. दैट इज़ वन. एंड सेकेंड, जो इसमें लोग हैं, जो लोग ट्रेनिंग सेंटर्स चला रहे हैं, जिस ट्रेनिंग सेंटर के पार्ट हैं, वो कोई चॉइस से यहाँ पर नहीं आए हैं, बाई चांस आए हैं. तो बाई चॉइस से आना एक अलग, उसका जो है मज़ा अलग रहता है. तो ही ऑलवेज वांट टू एक्सेल एंड ऑल. बाई चांस कोई आता है, मतलब कोई वजह से जो है उसको किसी ने बोला, किसी ने सुना, किसी से सुन लिया, तो जो है ही गेट इनटू अ स्किल बिजनेस, स्किल वेंचर, बट उसका कुछ उसमें लगाव नहीं है. तो ये दो चीज़ें हैं ना, दो एक्सट्रीम चीज़ें हैं. इसको बैलेंस करना, इसको ये दो अलग अलग जो है तार हैं, इसको जमाए रखना बहुत दिक्कत की बात है.
आई थिंक जो आपने अभी कहा है ना, दिस इज सो इम्पोर्टेंट, एंड आई थिंक आपने एकदम वो बात कह दी जो एकदम हम सबके सामने है, बट नोबडी इज सेइंग इट.
So Mosaic is a great place to work. Good people, I can say.
Great people to work with.
Yes.